Yeah, that looks awesome, man. I see the plexi above it too. Whoa, I didn't realize. That's cool, man. Wow. Can you give me a walk around real quick? Wow. Dude, that's awesome. Wow, that looks sick, man. How did you, is that spray box?
So, like halfway through the build, I had my boys just do some graffiti. I live down south by Miami.
Yeah.
A couple of my friends are in MSG, so I had them do all the artwork. And then I finished the rest of the box. If I take the top off, there's plexi on top, and you can see down into the box. You can see the motors.
Yeah.
There's also like a luminescent wire. If you look at like the lightning, you know what I mean?
Wow, man, this is awesome. Dude, that's cool. Yeah, that looks awesome, man. I see the plexi above it too.
Yeah, let me see if I can help you out. Hold on.
I got it. I'm good, man.
Let's turn that down.
Oh, so you can adjust the LED.
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. That looks sweet at night, don't it? Oh, yeah. That's a big amp. A
G2B.
What is that, like an 8K? 10K? Wow. What is it wired to?
Half ohm.
Okay.
It's a 6th order. 2-to-1 ratio.
Wow.
2550.
Okay. Woo! What are the subs rated for?
5K RMS, but dude, those are the biggest coils you ever see in your life.
Like a 4.5 or a 5-inch, but the really big ones?
They're as thick as your cell phone.
What?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
They're as thick as an iPhone.
Wow. Awesome. Heck yeah. What about your battery and electrical, like your alternator?
My alternator right now is a Mechman 390. I'm about to add the second alt. I just haven't wired it yet. It's already in there. I just haven't wired it.
Okay.
I'm going to add a C-Max, but for right now it's a JY Blackbox 80. I can't even, it doesn't keep up with the,
Doesn't?
Is it too big?
Really?
Yeah, no, but
It's a big BPM.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'd like to hear it, man. Sure. Nice SMD meter. Nice bass knob too.
Slam Panda.
That's sweet. I like it. Team AINTLOUD. And you got some Hertz speaker tweeters.
Yeah.
Are those like come with the truck?
No.
Woo! Look at that, man. I'm sorry, there's so much nice stuff on it. I remember you talked about this last time with the doors,
Yeah.
the way they're made. Man, awesome. Woo! Yeah, you go ahead and give me a demo. Give me some lows, whatever you feel like you think would do good. Teammate mode. Oh yeah. It's hot today, man.
Yeah.
Like really, it was in the 90s. Awesome. Yeah, that box, I'm sure don't do no justice seeing from here. When you take that plexiglass, you'll be able to see it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm sure it looks
Way
really
better angle.
Oh yeah. All right, demo time.
they're full storm, dog.
Oh man, I can feel them, the heat. Awesome. I appreciate it, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Awesome,
Heck yeah. Woo.
Making doors jiggle and girls giggle. It's DJ Rusty Ball.
Awesome, man.
Let me just pop the hood and show you those batteries.
Yeah, let me check the battery. I also got to check out the back. You good? Thank you. All right, thank you. Let's see you then. All right. Cody. Whoa. No way. You did a flexi. And it's like a...
There's LED too, man. Well, you can't see that.
Wow.
Custom load meter, yeah.
It does?
Custom load meter, yeah.
That's cool.
Custom loads for the win.
Custom loads. Thanks, man. Oh yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.